Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. It's been a while, almost 2 months. I decided to take a little impromptu vacation. I needed some time off from a lot of stuff. Took a vacation, went to the Denver area, which was really cool. And so yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna start posting videos again. Sorry for the dead silence for a little while. I have a really big, exciting announcement to share. The Wizarding Trunk and I recently put out a box called the Archive of Wizardry. If you haven't heard about it, I'll link it down below. You can check out some unboxing videos and some other details about it. The boxes are now completely sold out. We're not planning on restocking, but there's been so many people who were interested in 2 particular items. I am going to sell some of these, a limited supply of these, on my Etsy shop. The Wizarding Trunk is also going to have some on their shop too, so there's kind of 2 places to get them. But the version that's on mine is what I'm going to show you right now. So first of all, we have this package, the Archive of Wizardry, and if we open it up, this is one of the 2 items you will get on my Etsy shop. You can already tell what it is because it has a little dragon hourglass info card inside, and the other side has a Clepsydra's Chronometer's business card. So each of these 2 items on my Etsy shop are going to come with these little info card inserts. So this one is the Dragon Hourglass. This is exactly what you'll get when you order it from Etsy. It is in the custom packaging that I designed. And here is the Dragon Hourglass. It has 2 snake-like dragons on either side, and the middle part actually does rotate. It actually does work, and it is a 3-minute timer. So you can get this right now on my Etsy shop. We're not restocking, so once the supply that we have of these are gone, it's gone. And the second item, this was like the most requested one, people have been asking about it constantly, is right here. Again, it's in its own box with the Archive of Wizardry on top. And if we open it up, here's our info card. It is the Wizardry Omnibus, and the other side just has a little Bogmire University crest on it. And then inside we have, this is exactly how it's going to be packaged, the Wizardry Omnibus. I'm not going to open this one up because I'll have to like take off the plastic and everything, but I will show you another one which is exactly the same. Here is the Wizardry Omnibus Volume 1. It covers spells, herbology, chiromancy, which is palm reading, and alchemy. The end papers on the inside have a foiled pattern. We have, again, the Bogmire crest here, the table of contents, which has all the different sections, of course. And then we start with spells. And then in here it has a bunch of spells and wand movements and things like that. Part 2, herbology. So in here we have like a whole bunch of magical plants and a little bit about them. Then we get to part 3, chiromancy, and you've got a whole bunch about palm reading, and all the information in this book, aside from like the obviously fictional stuff like the spells, are real thing, like it's real information. So you could actually learn how to read someone's palm using this book. And then part 4 is alchemy. And it's again all about alchemy in here. There's also a bunch of like magical charts in the back, and then we have a notes section for your own notes if you'd like to take your own magical notes. So that is the Omnibus of Wizardry, available on my Etsy shop right now in the supply that we have. It's not going to be restocked once these are gone. I hope that those of you who were really wanting to get your hands on these books and the hourglasses are going to be really happy that we decided to do this. I also want to announce that I am holding back 8 each of the book and the hourglass, and I'm going to be giving away an hourglass and a book together as a set 8 times, and that is from now, this video, on the road to 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. The channel is so close to getting there right now. As I'm making this video, I'm at 91,600 subscribers. So every 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a book and an hourglass. You can enter the giveaway in the link below. You can get extra entries for sharing the giveaway, and the only requirement, though, is that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. So good luck, everyone, and if you made it all the way to the end of the video with me, you're a wizard. Give it a thumbs up down below if you did like this video, and subscribe for more magical content and unboxings and other cool videos like that. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.